In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust undo time after deleting on Outlook. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your inbox. If not, sign in with your account to continue. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear-shaped settings icon and click it. A settings pane will open on the right. In that pane, select Mail to access your mail-related settings. From there, choose Compose and Reply. This is where Outlook groups options that affect how messages are created and sent. Scroll within Compose and Reply until you find the section labeled Undo Send. Here's what this setting does. It builds in a short delay between the moment you press Send and when Outlook actually delivers the email. During that delay, you'll see an Undo option giving you a chance to pull the message back if you change your mind. This is especially helpful for catching small mistakes or adding an attachment you forgot. Use the slider or drop-down to set the delay to the length you prefer, up to 30 seconds. A longer time gives you more room to recover a message, but it also means every email you send will wait that long before leaving your outbox. Many people find 10 to 15 seconds to be a good balance, but choose what fits your workflow. After you've set the time, make sure to click Save. You'll typically see Save at the top or bottom of the settings pane. If you don't save, the change won't take effect. Here's a quick tip for using it. The next time you send an email, watch for the small Undo banner that appears at the bottom of the window. If you spot an error, click Undo before the timer runs out, and Outlook will reopen the message so you can fix it. If you were looking specifically to extend the brief undo you see after deleting messages, note that Outlook on the web exposes a timer for undo send, which is what we just adjusted. That's all there is to it. You've successfully adjusted the undo time so you have a more comfortable window to catch mistakes before your emails go out. If you ever want to change it again, just revisit Settings, Open Mail, go to Compose and Reply, tweak the undo send time, and save.